Ayan, there's a black butterfly, black and blue. Ay, manang, mama. Sa butterfly, look closer to me. Second time now. Hello, beautiful manang. And here's my manang. Ay, mama, papa. And here's my manang there. Manang Elsa. There. And where's the butterfly? Where you going, butterfly? Where you going? Come back here. Did you see that butterfly, manang? Black one. With the blue around it in the wings. I don't know where it went to. Manang doing his survey. Manang been asking to come out Thursday and Friday. So finally I said, yes, let's go out, manang. So while I'm doing my homework for Sunday, Word of God. Butterfly, where are you? Come back, butterfly. Ah, what happened to the butterfly? Manang, they're looking for that gecko or lizard. We have lizard here. Manang's watching underneath there. Because the lizard went inside there. Oh, falling leaves. Look, falling leaves. So falling leaves. Falling leaves, but I didn't see one. A lot falling leaves. I did not capture the video. Pretty soon is it's fall, it's autumn. My sayote is there. It's very long now, but there's no vegetable. Wala pa. No vegetable yet grow. But the vine is really long. Grow connection with those pine trees. It connect to the pine tree. Manang? Where are you? My Italian tomatoes, it's growing, and the green pepper, there's vegetable there. What is that red in there? I see a red. It's a rose. The only one. To anad is manang sa taas. She's ready to go inside. Beautiful. Beautiful. My manang's beautiful. Where are you, Manang? There you are. I love you. And say bye-bye.